What's up, Gunpla modelers? This is Strider Prime bringing you a new edition of Gundam Models, and today is January 1st, 2018. Happy New Year to everyone on both Facebook and YouTube, and people who I follow on Instagram and Twitter and all families and friends. I hope everybody had a great holiday. I did too. I'm supposed to, go to bed and sleep it off, but I had to wake up really early in the morning so I can show off a major announcement coming from Gundam Base Tokyo. Now, within the past 24 hours, we've already knew that the Deep Striker was coming out, and I have to say, it's this picture shows an amazing look to it. Alright, some people have already done their reviews of how big this kit is, and it's an amazing looking kit to begin with. If you want to pre-order it, HobbyLink Japan has it on pre-order for I believe, well, here in the US it's like 1,700 yen for the pre-order, so that's around $150. So actually, let's go there right now and see if it's still there. Yep, it's still there. I can imagine they're going to have a stop order soon, and it has a March release date. So this is going to be very, very big, very, very detailed, amazing look to it. I, for one, am impressed with it, but it could have been nice if it was a high-grade version. That's my interpretation, but it's still a nice-looking kit. Big, 21 inches long. Very, very big and hefty. There's a video on this that's on the site, so go to Tag Hobbies to take a look at it. And I have to say that it looks really nice. It looks really awesome to see this kit firsthand right there. Check that out. Cool. That's very nice. But that's not the only thing that they're showing here on this site. Apparently, we're also getting two new 1/100 scale kits. The Master Grade 1/100 scale Gundam F91 version 2.0. We're getting a 2.0 of the F91. Wait a minute, isn't that a recent kit? Like, didn't it come out a couple of years ago? Why are we getting a 2.0? Was it that bad? Are we gonna I don't know. I talked to Prime 92, and she says that it's not a bad kit. I mean, she did build the blue version of it, but never the white version. So interesting to see what we're gonna get with this kit. She says that, if you turn the head and you remove the helmet, turn the head and put the helmet back on again, you get the effect of the face mask from the movie. But I don't see any extra detail that we're going to be getting. It's going to be around a little bit bigger than the Victory Gundam, so I have nothing against F91. I've always wanted to buy one myself, but maybe now it looks like a possibility I may get it. Besides this, we're also getting an we already know about this one, the RE Vigna Gaina, it's pronounced. Yeah, here it is, and what it looks like. This is the first prototype photograph of the Vigna Gaina. I remember the original 1/100 scale kit back in the mid-90s when I got it, and it wasn't the best looking, but wasn't the best kit to make. I remember it had its problems, so clearly it's getting the RE treatment. I'm really digging where Bandai is just pulling mobile suits out of their hat, mobile suits that we never thought of they're gonna release. Now, besides the Vigna Gaina and the F91, we're also getting some high-grade kits. Right here, we're getting the Bryland, the RX-160 Bryland. Now, we already have the high-grade version for the Unicorn, and I believe there's a P Bandai for the Twilight Axis. But I believe this could be the one based off the anime series. I think, which one is it? Probably Double O. I could be wrong. So it's the stock Bryland. It's kind of cool. Not bad to get the stock this version. We're also getting the Garibaldi B or the Garibaldi Beta. Also a nice, cool looking kit. It's already been announced about a month ago, so that, you know, it's right there. But here is the surprise: the real grade Tallgeese, 1/44 scale. That's nice. That is really nice. Never thought that we would be getting a Tallgeese in real grade. It would have been okay if they made the high grade version, but the real grade, hell, I'll take that. And it's a nice looking kit. If you have the master grade, you know it's a beautiful looking kit. Real grade is probably going to give it a little bit more extra detail that you see here. If I decide to get it, don't worry, I'm not going to make it metallic like I did with the master grade, but this pretty much opens the door for the Tallgeese 2, Tallgeese 3, and maybe whatever other variant. Now, by seeing this, you're saying to yourself, oh, cool. Well, maybe we're going to get a real grade Leo. Maybe, but there'll probably be a P Bandai. But without me knowing, and after looking at all these photographs, we come down to this. A high grade Leo. Unbelievable. It just so happens a few days ago, somebody on Facebook mentioned, wasn't there a high-grade version of the Leo? And there was back in the mid-90s, but it was not like a high-grade. It was a regular 1/44 scale, very limited posability. It was the ground-type version, and I think it was like a very cheap kit. But now it was so rare, they don't manufacture it anymore. If you find it on eBay or any sites, they're going to cost you an arm and a leg. But I was shocked to see a high-grade version of the Leo. The Leo. The best, I'm going to say this, the best grunt suit from the Seed series. I'm sorry, Seed series. I'm still recovering from last night. From the Wing series. Yes. It's not a master grade. It's not even an RE kit. But I'll take the high grade any day of the week. And not only are we going to get it as a high grade, clearly we're going to see other variants. We're going to get the ground type version with the 2 shoulder cannons. We're going to probably get the space type version, the flight type version, the commander type version, the one with the Dober. Well, I'm thinking that if you're going to get this kit, we're going to probably get the kit with the Dober gun, the machine gun, and the shield, and then P Bandai the rest of the other mobile suits. I mean, to tell you the truth, I was looking at other variants of the Leo, and going to Wiki, I was looking at all these variants. This is called the Leo N. What the hell is this called? This is called the Leo S. This one's the Leo R. This one's the D unit, kind of reminiscent to a Neo Zeong, but with cannon booster type shoulders. This one's the Capricorn. I kind of like this one. A Mercurius Leo, or actually Sylvant. No, that's Deep Striker. There are a lot of variants of the Leo. So seeing this just put a major smile on my face. Now, obviously there are more high-grade kits. We have the Pixie 1/44 scale. I haven't done any research on this yet. I know one of my friends actually told me about this, but I didn't pay no mind to it. It looks very nice, though. To tell you the truth, it has the bulk, the size, kind of reminds me of the Tristan, even though I didn't build it. I don't think it's going to suffer the same issue as the Tristan. It's probably a new mold. But we'll probably see more information soon enough. Then we're getting another Ifrit, the Ifrit Notch, with a melee unit, kind of like the spikes on the shoulders. Now it's a different set of spikes. Don't be surprised if we're probably going to get a P Bandai version of this kit in 1/100 scale, or the RE version for P Bandai. But regardless, it looks pretty cool, very nice, and it has the color tone. So this is the actual color. It doesn't say when it will come out. Doesn't have a date on it. Now here's another surprise, and there's a lot of people who are actually begging for this to come out. The Golf Flight Type. Golf Custom Flight Type version. I don't think this is a completely new mold, sorry, because you're talking, it's probably using the same chest area of the Golf, maybe the Golf Custom. Obviously the minigun shield sword combo is from the Golf Custom, but we're going to see the massive legs and thrusters that are different. The shoulder pad, the shoulder units is different. And there's a more detail here with the waist unit and the backpack. Look at that. That is a really beautiful design. Now, if Bandai did this, clearly we're going to see the Thunderbolts version of it, or maybe it's the same one but different color. I'll have to review the last episode of Thunderbolts. Then we have a new ground type version of the RX-78-2. Pretty nice. I thought one was already, but pretty cool. Very nice. And then I think that's pretty much it. This we already know about, and that's it. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 new Gundam kits coming, 11 new Gundam kits coming out in the next 3 months, you could say. I don't have no street dates on this other than the fact that we know about the March release of the Deep Striker. Go to Tag Hobbies to check it out, see if they have any other announcements. But yeah, that was a big surprise. The Leo was a big surprise, and also the Tallgeese. You can't beat that combination. Oh my God, everybody's wallets are hurting. Everybody's having hangovers from New Year's Eve, and now seeing this, they're gonna say, "Oh no, my wallet has a hangover." Well, anyway, I'm impressed with Bandai's selection. More power to everybody to get these kits and do what they want to do. So I'd like to thank you guys all for watching, and stay tuned for more Gundam models yet to come. You guys all have a great day.